Good morning, dear KGB. How are you all? Today we are going to do reading of all words, children. We are going to make the words and read it. Here are some cards. Arr, Deeder, Teeter, Elle, Etcher, Peeper, Enna, Jiger, X. And what is the vowel in the middle? O. So using this vowel, we are going to make new words like ox, ox. Alright, then on, on. Who is ox? Ox is an animal which helps the farmer. And on. What is the meaning of on, children? Switch on, switch off. Off, the switch is off. On, the switch is on. There is one more meaning of on, children. Where is the pencil? The pencil is on the O card. Now look here. This is your reader. Where is ma'am kept the pencil? On the reader. Now where is the pencil, children? In the reader. But if I put it on top of the book, where is the pencil? On the reader. Where is the pencil? On the reader. On. Let us make more words, children. Hop. Which animal hops, children? Kangaroo hops, rabbit hops. You sent me such lovely videos of the kangaroo hop with your little stuffed toy tied to your stomach. Hop. Next, when the big tree is cut, they cut it into small logs. Log. Good. Which animal wags its tail? Dog. Very good. Which is the toy which spins round and round and round? Top. Children, look at the curtains in your house, children. What are the curtains hanging on? There is a big stick going through the rings. That is a curtain rod. Rod. Oh, it was so hot today. Hot. We have made 8 words today, children, using all these cards. You will also take out these letters from your alphabet kit and make all these 8 words. Now, please open your reader, getting ready to read. Page number 5. There are 3 columns on this page, children. Please number the columns 1, 2 and 3. So let us begin with word number 1. One dot for all, one dot for no. Pencil, pencil on the on arrow. Join and read. On, on. Good. Hot. It's very hot today. One dot for her, one dot for all, one dot for the. Pencil on the hot arrow. Join and read. Hot. Good. Read loudly at home, children. Next. What is that toy which spins round and round? Top. Top. What is the first sound? Ta 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 ta. Is this ta? No. Is this ta? No. Is this ta? Yes. One dot for ta. One dot for all. One dot for pa. Join and read. Ta pa top. Ta pa top. Very good. Let's hop, children. Let's do the kangaroo hop. Hop, 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 hop. Hop. What is the first sound? Ha 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 ha. Is this her? No. Is this her? No. Is this her? Yes. One dot for her. One dot for all. One dot for pa. Let us join and read, children. Hop. 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 When the big tree is cut, it is cut into smaller pieces. Each piece is called a log. Log. La 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 la. One dot for la. One dot for all. One dot for ga. Join and read, children. Log. 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 Boo, 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 boo. Which animal barks, children? Dog. Dog. What is the first sound? Da 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 da. One dot for da. One dot for all. One dot for ga. Dog. 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 Did you hear the dog barking? Now, pencil on the dog arrow. Dog. Look at the curtains in the house. They are hanging on the curtain rod. One dot for ra. One dot for all. One dot for da. Pencil on the rod arrow. Rod. Rod. And the last word for today, children. He is the friend of the farmer. This animal is called an ox. Ox. Or, one dot for or, one dot for x. Pencil on the ox arrow. Ox, 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 ox. We have completed 8 words, children. Please practice on your alphabet kit. Now it's time for us to write the date. Below the ox arrow, write today's date, children. 21 dot 8 dot 2020. Have a good time, children, and remember, tomorrow is the PTM for the girls. Ma'am will be calling Mama and Papa on teams, one by one. Okay? Bye. See you tomorrow in the PTM.